Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited for this one, you guys. So my housemate's eldest daughter got me this for Christmas. It is a beautiful, I want to say like a Japanese style lantern set. So just like the Halloween one, except the Halloween one is much bigger than this. This is going to be so super cute. She just came downstairs and picked out her colors. So we're going to do red alcohol ink transparent, sort of halfway in the top. And then I've got the Resin holographic red glitter, the chunky glitter. And that's going to be in the bottom and also in this little bottom section where the candle goes. And then I'm going to sort of probably about an hour into the curing process, maybe less if I use this. I'm going to try and drag my stick through to kind of weave the glitter in. We'll see if it works, but as we all know, resin does what resin wants. But other than that, I wanted to show you guys this. This is what my housemate got me for Christmas. She got me the Let's Resin heating mat. I'm so excited to try this. I'm very, very worried though, and the reason I'm worried is this is wood. I don't want this to get super hot and warp in any way. I'm not sure if it even would, but I want to try it. I want to try it and see how quickly we can get this done, because I think it would be awesome to be able to get it done and give it to her, you know, tomorrow. So yeah, all right, let's go ahead and get our resin warmed up and mixed up. I'll get this set up and we will pour. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I made 2 cats. I did not have enough resin for a third, so we will just have to fill that one up at a later date. That is so pretty. And I made cats specifically because we have 4 cats and she loves cats, so I thought I'd use the rest of the resin to create cats that she might like. Oh, this one's gorgeous because it's all the glitter. So, yeah. Meow, you see what the bonus unmolding is. Alright, friends. This is cured. I did not leave the mat on the entire time. I got a little scared. Just a little scared. I don't know why I was so worried, but so I came down about an hour in. Maybe actually probably closer to 2 hours in. And notice these little bubbles here. So I tried to fill those in with a little bit of resin, but this was pretty much fully cured by the time I did that. So we're gonna have a couple of bubbles, but I also have some cleanup to do. But I'm excited. Oh, that just ripped. Okay, great. Okay, lesson learned. Don't pull it that hard, Megan. It ripped right here. So that's a bummer. Maybe I can fix it with some cello tape. Yeah, we'll try that. We'll try fixing it with some tape, but for the next one, we're gonna demold it this way first, so that doesn't happen again. Ah, Lord. Okay. It's very pretty, but it's missing something. I'm gonna ask her if she wants me to add anything to... Come on. There we go. She wants me to add anything to these little cavities. They're very, very pretty. Oh no, did I pour it too thick? Is it not gonna fit? Lord, I'm gonna have to do a lot of work. Okay. That's fine. I figured that I probably was pouring it too thick, but that's okay. We can fix that. We can shave some down. This is very pretty though. I really like the way that the glitter kind of moved up into the panels. I did try to help the glitter along, but as we know, resin will do what resin wants to do. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay. And then here's the little spot for the candle. She said this one was just gonna be just all glitter. Okay. This is gonna be the front. Yeah, I'm gonna need to trim these. But I'm wondering if it would be easier to trim, because I've got these files, which were in my mom's stuff that I inherited. I mean, obviously I don't think that that's going to do much, but... Oh! Whoa, would you look at that? Okay. That did much. Okay, so I'm going to go off screen and file these down. I will be right back after I do that, so we can put... I've got some lights that we can put in it. I know somewhere in my mess I have got a battery powered candle. I don't know where it is. Don't ask me. Don't ask me nothing right now. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up. I'm also gonna ask her if she wants anything in the inside. I kind of doubt it, because this is the way she wanted it to look. But yeah, let me do that. We'll get it put together. We'll be back. Alright, friends, that took a lot more work than I was expecting. It's also very kind of not good. Which is mostly my fault. I definitely over poured one of these big panels, so it's not lined up as good as it should be. So that's causing some issue, but other than that, it's very pretty. I have not asked her yet if she wants me to add anything to it, because that legitimately took me 20 minutes to do. So I will do that, and then I guess if she does, you will see it in the glamour shots. But I do have some colored lights that I just dropped in there and they turned off. Let's try that again. That's pretty. Let's turn off these lights. There we go. So that's what the colored lights look like in there. And it just turned off again because I hit the button. Okay, anyway, let's look at the clear lights. So I've got some of those as well. Very pretty. Other than the big battery pack that's rolling around in there. Yeah. It's a very cute mold set. Obviously not the best quality, seeing as I already ripped one, which you really shouldn't be doing with, or shouldn't be having with good quality. But, you know, it's off of Amazon, and she's a teenager, so she may not have known that, like, you know, better quality molds cost a little bit more. But yeah, I'm going to try and fix that. I'm not quite sure how. Again, there's the little rip. Not quite sure how I'm going to fix it. I think, because I don't think glue is going to hold on silicone. Honestly, don't think tape is going to hold either. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I do want to use this mold set again, which is why I want to fix it. There's a lot of mold sets that I've, not a lot, but a few mold sets that I've had in the past that I didn't really care for. And this one is not one of them. I really like it. Oh, you know what? Pause. Let me grab, because it's right next to me. And it's falling apart, of course. This is the Halloween lantern set. And I want to show you guys a comparison of size here. Okay, so that's all the panels. I mean, just alone, you can tell how much bigger this is compared to the other one. Come on. You can do it. You can get in there. You can do it. It's not going to do it. Alright, I'll just hold it up. It's fine. So here are the two lanterns side by side. And I'll lay them down. So you can see the height. So these are the same height right now as far as like the bottoms are matching. But you can see how much bigger the Halloween one is comparative to this one, which I think is like a cherry blossom lantern. I'm pretty sure it's a cherry blossom lantern. She's very much into Japanese and Korean anime and Chinese anime as well. She's learning Chinese in school, which is really cool. I wish we had that kind of stuff when I went to school. But there we go. I finally got the bottom one. Let's compare the bottoms now. It's like there's so much more in the Halloween lantern. Yeah. Anyway, that's today's video. Sorry it was a little long and a little weird. Boring, maybe, is what I meant to say, not weird. It was boring. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is